If you have sold a property, a flat, a plot, anything you held for more than 24 months, the government is going to tax your profit. And that's called long-term capital gains tax. And depending on your profit, that bills can run into lakhs. But most people don't know this. There's a completely legal option that lets you invest those gains and pay zero capital gains tax on them. It's been in the Income Tax Act for decades and it's called a capital gains bond. Here's everything you need to know. Let me give you a quick example. Say you bought a plot in 2015 for 20 lakhs. You sold it in 2025 for 60 lakhs. Your long-term capital gains is 40 lakhs. Without any planning, you would owe capital gains tax on that entire 40 lakhs. That would be a significant amount. Gone just like that. Now, the Income Tax Act has a provision. Section 85, earlier it was known as Section 54 EC, that says if you invest your capital gains into specific government approved bonds within 6 months of the sale, that invested amount is fully exempt from capital gains tax. So, in our example, if you invest 40 lakhs into these bonds, your tax liability on that gain becomes zero. Capital gain bonds are fixed income instruments issued by government-backed institutions. Right now, 5 issuers are approved under Section 85. REC, NHAI, PFC, IRFC and HUDCO is also an approved issuer. All of them are government-owned or government-backed. These are not private companies, which is why the risk is essentially sovereign risk. The same as putting money in a government bank. The bonds carry the highest credit ratings, AAA from CRISIL, CARE and ICRA. That's the safest possible rating a bond can have in India. They pay a fixed interest annually. That interest goes directly into your bank account each year. Now, quick things to remember, the tax exemption only covers the capital gains you invest. The interest you earn on top, that's still taxable based on your income slab. Now, there are few rules you must know before investing. Rule number 1, the 6-month window. You must invest in this bond within 6 months of the date of sale of your property or tax filing, whichever is earlier. Miss this window and the exception is gone. No extension, no exceptions, so don't wait. Rule number 2, the 50 lakh limit. You can invest a maximum of rupees 50 lakhs per financial year under Section 85 across all issuers combined. If your capital gain is higher than rupees 50 lakhs, you will need to explore other options for the rest, like buying a new residential property. Rule number 3, lock-in of 5 years. These bonds have a strict 5-year lock-in from the date of allotment. You cannot sell them, transfer them or pledge them as collateral for a loan during this period. So only invest money you genuinely won't need for 5 years. Rule number 4, only long-term capital gains qualify. This exemption is only for long-term capital gains, means profit from assets held for more than 2 years. Short-term gains don't apply. Rule number 5, no demat account needed. You don't need a demat account to invest. If you don't have one, you will simply receive a physical bond certificate, similar to a FD receipt. Rule number 6, NRIs can also invest. They can invest in this bond through their NRO account and claim the same exemption. Let me quickly summarize what you need to remember. Sold a property with a long-term gain, you have 6 months to invest in capital gain bonds and avoid paying tax on that gain. The maximum you can protect is rupees 50 lakhs per year. The bonds are government-backed, AAA rated, carry a 5-year lock-in and pay annual interest, which is taxable. No demand needed. Issuers include REC, NHAI, PFC, IRFC and HUDCO. That's the concept. Clean, simple and one of the most underused tax saving tools available to property sellers in India. If you have sold a property recently and want to figure out how much you can save, the application forms for all issuers are linked in the description below through Sandria Finvest. You can also reach us on WhatsApp and we will walk you through the process at no cost. If this helped, subscribe. We keep it simple here. Thank you.